me now is Alexandre Boivin. He is the president and CEO at Quimbaya Gold. Great to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Yeah, thank you very much for having me. Very happy to be here in such a good gold market.
Absolutely. Great to have you. We're going to learn more about your company, and there's lots to talk about, lots of news. But before we get to that, let's just get a snapshot, an overview of the three projects you have in Colombia. It's Tahami, Barrio, and Medamac.
Exactly.
And what's interesting, you're surrounded by producers, especially Aris, which is a neighbor, right?
Yeah, exactly. So what we have done in Quimbaya over the last few years, we all know it was a bear market, kind of, let's say not the best market in the world. So we took this advantage to buy everything that we can where we're close to producers. There is artisanal miners, there is historical mines, so we know there is gold, we know there is something, mineralization, we just don't know how much. So we have done that. Right now, the most important to say it's Quimbaya is all in Antioquia. So Antioquia, it's a province, a department of Colombia. It's Medellin, it's the center of it. And that area, for me, it has been the most successful area of Colombia over the last 20 years. Every discovery going into production are in Antioquia. The other, let's say, area that is very good, it's Caldas, but it's touching South Antioquia. So we have three projects, 59,000 hectares, and our flagship project, Tahami, it's neighbor to Aris Mining Segovia, one of the richest gold mine in the world. So we're very happy to be neighbor because sometimes they say the best place to find a discovery is neighbor to a mine, right?
Exactly, yeah. So first drilling started in the summertime, I believe, late July, early August, and the team has already identified a porphyry system at Tahami Center, as you call it. So can you give us some more details on that?
Yeah, that's funny life, huh? Sometimes you're looking for something and you find other things. So Tahami South, it's touching neighbor to Aris Mining. So we're drilling there, 4,000 meters campaign. We sent a second rigs weeks ago to accelerate. We like what we're seeing. And so that's the epithermal vein system. If you go a little more northeast, we call it Tahami Center, they open up a road, okay, just like that. And we knew that there were artisanal miners and also some mines there. So we went to samples, and by the road, we can see 500 meters of the side of the mountain, like with the veins of quartz from a porphyry system. And so we have both type of deposit, and also the fact that at Tahami Center there is artisanal miners. Normally a porphyry, it's a big volume of tonnage, but more low grade. The artisanal miners, it's not economical for them to mine a porphyry. So we know that it's linked with epithermal vein system. So we have the veins, high-grade gold, and the porphyry, copper, molybdenum, and gold. So we're very excited about that. And that we're not drilling right now. We're only doing the preparation to get the drill targets.
Right, and it's right at surface basically as well.
It's right at surface. Yeah. We have it from 1.4 kilometers by 2 kilometers. So we have a lot of work to do.
Great. Now, a lot of the work is being done by a very strong technical team, as you call them, including Dr. Stewart, Redwood. He's got a lot of experience in Colombia, a lot of success in Colombia. So what more can you tell us about the advantage of having him on the team and just the technical team in general, the experience that you've got?
But the first thing that is very important, the first chance to have him on the team, I'm learning a lot because he has, I don't know if it's 45 years of experience, and most of it internationally, but South America. In Colombia, he has defined 15 million ounces for Marmato project that now it's Aris Mining. Mm-hmm. They have Segovia and Marmato. So also he has been technical advisor for Gran Colombia Gold for 14 years. So the deposit, the mine neighbor to us, Segovia, he has been there 14 years. So basically, what we're doing right now, it's just continuing what he has done over the last 14 years. We don't have to explain him nothing. He knows everything. Let's say he's a Bible. And and also I know that he's advisor on contract or consultant for many companies in Colombia, let's say all the big players. So he's a very, very syndicative team player with us. We're very happy. The other thing also, so Dr. Stewart, all his experience, and we have Ricardo Sierra as a VP Exploration. What I like about Ricardo, he's Colombian, so he's from the country. Second, he has been 10 years with Anglo American, looking for porphyry, copper, gold, and molybdenum, exactly what we have found, right?
Yeah.
Like he told me, I feel like a deja vu. And after that, he was for Continental Gold. That went very good, sold to Sigine 1.9 billion in 2019. And he was part of the team of Collective Mining, a very good company in Colombia that has a lot of success and still having success. And he was there at the beginning at the discovery of the Apollo target. So he knows what he's doing. And I like people that they did it before because they know how to recognize, make a similitude, right?
For sure, and it's appealing to investors, obviously, as well. So on the drilling side, you've struck this 5-year deal with Independence Drilling. They're the largest drilling contractor in Colombia. And what's interesting is that they're taking shares in the company as opposed to a cash payment. So that would indicate that they're pretty confident in the company and what you have there in your properties.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Quimbaya, it's I will say, the most pre-discovery opportunity in Colombia. If you look at all the companies in Colombia right now, they already have drilled, they already are in production, whatever. Quimbaya, it's the opportunity to make the discovery and, let's say, creating big value. That said, Independence Drilling, it's a 40 years family business, very good people, very organized, very professional. And what I like, it's for 40 years, they have drilled all around Colombia. So they know what they're doing, they know the people, they know the social, they know the community. The fact that they are taking shares is giving us a lot of credibility and confidence because it's really rare. It's the first time they're doing that in 40 years. So it makes a lot of good noise for us in Colombia. I think they are very happy to be partnered with us. And I think it's only the beginning. So we have a 5-year contract up to 100,000 meters. How the deal is structured, it's every campaign that we call, we offer them a price and they can take up to 100% in shares.
I see.
So right now, the first 4,000 meters, they took 100% in shares. Now, in the future, we're looking to receive the result of the first assays over the next few weeks, months, Q4 this year. And we will probably announce a second drilling campaign in Q1, and they will have the choice to decide if they go in shares, half of it, 100% of
Right.
it. I think they will go high because all the conditions are there.
Yeah. Now, as far as the stock, as of yesterday when I was doing my research, it was up about 140% year over year. Now we're, as we sit here, we're seeing a bit of a pullback in all across the metal space, but still 120% in the last year or so. So how would you describe how, and what are investors telling you? What's the feedback you're getting as to the story at Quimbaya?
Yeah, it's a very good question. Quimbaya has an immense portfolio. It's 59,000 hectares. I'll say right now we're only evaluated. People are waiting for a drilling campaign neighbor to Aris Mining, which it's sexy because we're neighbor to one of the biggest mine of Colombia, one of the richest mine in the world. It's 16.1 grams per ton of gold. Also, they are expanding their mill. So, I mean, they are rolling, it's doing well. So us, we're 50 million market cap. Aris Mining, it's 3.1 billion market cap. We're neighbor to them. They have many projects, but their real cash cows, it's Segovia. Why people are so excited about Quimbaya, we just opened up the machine to start exploring. We were more a consolidation company over the last few years. Now, like, we have the vein system neighbor to Aris, we have the porphyry. If we look at collective mining, it started at $1, it's 19, 18 buck, 1.7, 1.8 billion. I mean, we have all this potential and we're 50 million, and it's still a very, very tight float. I'm lucky I own 23% of the company. So the good thing with that, it's when the CEO has a high stake in the company, normally he's working more for the shares. Let's say I have way more advantage that the shares going up than just win my salary. And after we have this strategic investor, we have family offices. So it's very tight, and we are at one drill hole to make a significant discovery. And what I have seen from my experience in Colombia, that can go 5x, 10x very fast. And what I can say about Colombia over the last month, let's say, everybody has finance. 20 million, 140 million, 15 million. We are the only product for now in Colombia that it's pre-discovery, early stage. But early stage pre-discovery, but miners are already mining gold on our assets. So, and we're drilling. So timing is perfect, gold is high, our neighbors are going higher, producers are producing more, and we're drilling neighbor to them. So that's the feeling that people have with Quimbaya.
Right. So you've covered a lot of ground. You've talked about all the little check boxes that investors can look at. So maybe if you could sort of summarize your thoughts and give us the major factors as you see. And again, you've been touching on it for the overall investment case, which you think is very strong for Quimbaya.
Yeah. So me, it's been 14 years I'm in Colombia. I have studied all the acquisition, all the sales, the takeover, the discovery, etc. And if we look at the numbers, what is so important with Quimbaya, it's the margin of the miners, the producers in Colombia, it's very high. Let's say we look at Aris Mining Segovia, now it's 4,000 plus the gold, their cost it's 1,200, 1,400. So they are making a big, huge margin.
Yeah.
So, and I remember, I will tell you a little story. In
Sure.
2010 to 2012, I have invested in Ventana Gold, there was Galway Resources, Calvista Gold, and all the Valley, the three public company, got bought out for 1.5 billion approximately. And at that time, the price per ounce paid was 300, 400 an ounce, and the gold was 17, 1800. Now we're 4,000. I'm pretty sure if we discover multi-million ounces, we should be evaluated at 250 US plus per ounce, and we're 50 million Canadian. We have strong confidence that we're multi-million ounces. Aris Mining Segovia, it's 13.8 million ounces, already 8 million ounces produced historically. So to have 1 million, it's not even 5% of their deposit. And 1 million at 250 US, it's 250 million US, 330 Canadian, we're 50 million. So that's for one asset over a portfolio. I'm talking about 300 hectares over 60,000 hectares. So we're very motivated. We can create a lot of value. What investors should expect from us right now, it's a news flow, more technical than ever. We're drilling, we're exploring, we're doing geophysics, we're doing LiDAR. It's coming, so it's only we just start the fire, no? That's
Yeah,
it.
okay. Yeah, or Rob McEwen said the other day that the starting gun has gone off, right? So get on board, right?
Yeah, exactly. Us, like they say, we were playing defense for many years, like the cash was tough, accumulation of good asset was tough, etc. But now it's time to play offense. We're in power play, right?
Yeah.
So drill, baby, drill, explore, and discovery, and making deals happening.
Very exciting. Thanks, Alex.
Yeah. Thank you very much
Yeah.
for your time.
Good stuff. We will be following. Thanks for all the information on Quimbaya Gold.
Yeah, QIM on the CSC.
All right, very good. Alexandre Boivin, he is President CEO at Quimbaya Gold.